it won't be mom or dad. And you need someone to hug, to listen when you're sad. Well, just take your troubles to your dog, 'cause she doesn't know it all, and she doesn't holler back. It's like talking to a wall. My dog's my buddy, my dog's my buddy. All she ever does is eat and drink, sleep and bark, tear things apart. But there's no doggy who loves me more, and that's what I got her for. Once when my sister was sick in bed, but she promised she would play. Well, I told her that I'm ready now, and she said another day. Well, I took my troubles to my dog, and she knew just what to do, so she jumped above